APK Explorer Editor is an Android application designed for users to explore, edit, and manage APK Android package files. This app provides a user-friendly interface that allows individuals to examine the contents of APK files, including resources, manifest details, and code structures. With APK Explorer Editor, users can view app permissions, modify graphical assets, and even customize app behaviors by editing certain parameters within the APK. The application caters to developers and enthusiasts who wish to understand app functionalities or make improvements on existing apps. In addition to inspection and editing features, it may offer options to extract APKs from installed applications, enabling users to share or back them up easily. Overall, APK Explorer Editor serves as a versatile tool for those interested in app development, modification, and APK management on their Android devices.